What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. This video is all about the big update, which is 18.0 for Meta AI and these Ray-Ban Meta glasses. They continually add value to these glasses. More and more stuff they're adding, improving. It's really good sign. If you've been thinking about buying these glasses, a major reason to buy these is they continually add value. They're not just putting out fixes, they're adding features, improving features on these glasses, and 18.0 is no different. So one of the new things they added was calendar. You can now connect your Google and Outlook.com calendars to Meta AI to receive event notifications, create personal events, and find important calendar information just by asking, for example, I won't even say it, what time is my first meeting tomorrow morning, or blank blank, add yoga to my calendar tomorrow at 9 a.m. To connect your calendar, open up the Meta AI app, tap your profile picture in the top right, select app notifications, and connect your calendar. So I'll show you that right now. Top right, I'm tapping on my profile. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go down until it says app connection. So tap that. This is gonna load up for a second here. Once it does, there we go. This is where you can connect your Google Calendar or your Outlook.com calendar. So I'm gonna hit connect to my Google Calendar because that's personally the one that I use. You can see this is gonna allow Meta to ask Meta AI for event details, create events on the go, and get notifications on the glasses, opt-out or alerts, things like that. I'm gonna hit connect, I'm fine with that. Give this a second to think. Choose my account that I want it to connect to. I'm gonna lock that in with my fingerprint. And then it's just gonna say it's gonna allow to see and permanently delete any and all calendar events and things like that and edit them. Allowing that, there we go. So now I will get calendar alerts, get upcoming event notifications on your glasses. Now this is great because if you think about this, this is gonna be one of the features that Google's glasses are gonna get in just probably a couple of months. And Meta has already added it for us. So let's go back here. Hey Meta, what's on my calendar tomorrow?
Looks like a light day. Tomorrow at 6:30 a.m., you have send Michelle $. And that closes out the day.
So gonna send the wife some money. It's telling me about that, but you can get notifications and stuff in the future for that. So that's great. Being able to get things that are coming on your calendar and ask it now built into the glasses. Awesome, I absolutely love it. You can also add things in here as well. Add to my calendar to wake up at 8 a.m. tomorrow.
Added wake up at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Tomorrow, September 1st at 8 a.m. for 1 hour to your calendar.
Awesome, I love it. Adding things to my calendar, getting notifications about them, all now built in to the glasses. We now can have fun capturing with our glasses by saying blank blank, restyle this on your glasses to take a capture in a surprising style, and it'll automatically add the style. So I'll take a photo right here and I'm gonna say, hey Meta, restyle this.
Your image is being created. Check your Meta AI app.
Okay, so now I just need to check my Hey Meta AI app in just a moment here. All right, if I go to my notifications on the app, I can see that my media is now ready. I'm gonna tap on that, and it created a 3D version of my picture that I took. It looks a little funky on here. Doesn't look that great. I can also restyle it if I want. So yeah, that's the original photo, but I can restyle it. And I swear I did another one in here. Let me just check my notifications. Yeah, here's another one I did 13 minutes before that. This one came out a lot better, so it's still cool. So now you can take photos, have them restyled, and they'll create it for you in AI. Kind of neat. Audible voice search expanded availability. You can now use voice commands, blank blank, play my audiobook to control Audible in all English speaking regions where both the Audible and Meta AI apps are available. Previously, this feature was only available in the US. I'll admit, I'm gonna try it again. I've been trying this one. It has not been working for me, and I know my Meta app's connected. It's logged into my phone. I even played an audiobook remotely within the app just to make sure. So we'll try it again. Hey Meta, play my audiobook.
Audible isn't responding. To continue,
yeah.
Open the Audible app.
And
try again.
It keeps saying that it's not working basically right now. I disconnected the app within Meta and reconnected it. I mean, I guess I could restart my phone. Maybe that would help, or restart the glasses. It probably could help, but I'll be honest, I don't listen to audiobooks all that much. So not a huge deal to me. And if I wanted to play it, I could just manually play it, but still cool that they did add that in there. Creating location for reminders. If you've turned on location services for the Meta AI app, the creation location will be saved when you create a reminder. This allows you to see the location where a reminder was created in the Meta AI app, and you can also ask Meta AI about it. So when you create a reminder, it's going to show the location of where you physically were at that time. Hey Meta, remind me in 30 minutes to take the dog out.
I'll remind you to take the dog out tomorrow at 12:06 a.m.
Okay, so it created that reminder. All right, so I have my reminders right here. Take the dog out, and I don't see where it's. Let me just hit edit. So unless I'm missing something in this reminder, I don't see where it shows the location. I do have locations added in there. I checked my preferences in the app itself on my Android phone. It is in there, but I don't see in here again where exactly it's showing the location for me leaving this, like in terms of like where I physically am. Faster camera. Now you can capture life's moments even faster when you're snapping photos, recording videos, or streaming your adventures. So I would assume by this, they meant like when I'm just tapping, it's gonna take faster photos, or when I press and hold this, it's gonna instantly press into videos. I feel like before it would like just be a slight delay when you do those buttons. It does seem a little bit snappier, and that's really cool. And that seems like the full version of 18.0 update. I personally didn't see anything else. There probably is a couple of things in there that aren't huge, but maybe kind of cool. So if you know what they are, leave them in the comments down below. But there's a quick walkthrough of version 18.0 on the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Pick these things up, guys. See, I say it all the time. These are might be my favorite tech gadget of the year. I use them all the time. I love them. They're great. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.